Hello and namaste, welcome back to my channel Padma's Universe. So let's see how to make goat brain fry. This is Bheja fry as we call it in Hindi. It's a delicacy, it's a yummy dish. I mean, it's very rich and creamy in taste and texture and very easy to make. This is the easiest non-veg recipe you can make actually. So here I have 3 goat brain as in 3 pieces and we need to clean this in a certain way. This is how I do it. So you boil some water, switch off the flame, add a lot of turmeric powder and then keep the goat brains in it for like 5 minutes and then wash them, clean them and keep it aside. So take some oil, cooking oil, add 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 pieces of cloves. Cooking oil could be of your choice. I'm using groundnut oil, and then add 1 big onion sliced. That's it. If you add pearl onions, it's going to give you an extra taste, exotic taste. So add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to be making this in my clay pot, earthen cookware. So that's it. Once the onion is getting sauteed, add about 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of plain red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and some salt to taste. That's it. We've already added 3 slit green chilies in it. So keep sauteing it and then add 1 tomato chopped. That's it. Bare minimum masalas. We are not going to overdo the masalas because the goat brain has its own distinct taste and flavor. I don't want that to be lost in the masalas. So here I have 1 teaspoon of fresh peppercorns, which I'm going to be crushing it because we need fresh pepper powder, which we'll be adding to the dish at the end. So look at the texture. This is how it should be. It's like nicely, you see the oils leaving sides. And then your masalas are done. So now we are going to be cutting the goat brain in a certain way. So each brain I'm going to be making 5 pieces out of it, and I'm using my hands, bare hands, and I'm cutting the so please don't do this. It's very scary and not advised. So just for the camera I wanted to show, so I mean on the cameras I'm doing it this way, otherwise I use a chopping board, and please do use a chopping board. So likewise I have cut all the brains. So 3 brains into 5 pieces. So 5 3s are 15 pieces is what I have here, and I've added some curry leaves. So very gently, with lots of love and patience, very gently stir them up. Try to mix them with the masalas. The whole idea is to cover them up with the masalas, each and every piece. So if you over mix them, it's gonna get scrambled up and get minced up. So we don't want to do that. We need to retain these shapes. So when you dig into them, they're going to be burst of flavors happening in your mouth. It's going to be creamy, super rich texture. So here I've closed the lid and we need to cook this for about 5 minutes maximum. This gets cooked really fast. So at the end, the dish is completely done. We have added some fresh peppercorns, which we just crushed, the mortar and pestle, and that's it. The brain fry is absolutely ready. You can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and eat this with side dish with your roti or rice. We just eat it like that because it's so tasty. And since we are cooking this in clay pot, I have switched off the flame and you can see the masala still sizzling, as the brain fry is still sizzling because of the retained heat. And that's it. Super buttery, super soft brain fry is ready. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.